tips of how to stand out as a buyer and get your offer accepted.
As a home buyer, writing your best offer is not just about offering the highest price. It is also about presenting yourself as a serious and reliable buyer.
Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Dilbeck Real Estate. So here are 4 important tips you need to know for making your offer stand out.
The first is to lean on a real estate professional. Buying a home can be stressful and overwhelming, and that's why it's important to hire an agent with the expertise and the knowledge to guide you through the transaction. They'll know what has worked with other buyers in the area and what a seller needs to help make your offer stand out.
The second is know your budget. Understanding your finances and budget is important when deciding on what to purchase. By crafting a compelling offer that showcases your financial readiness and commitment, you will increase your chances of getting your offer accepted. It also shows a seller you are financially confident in closing the transaction.
Next, think everything through before making an offer. The housing market is not moving as fast as it was during the pandemic. This allows you as a buyer to have more time to think about how you want to make your offer. According to Danielle Hale, who's chief economist at Realtor.com, and I'll quote, "In general, you are likely going to have more time to make an offer. If you're on the fence about a home or its asking price doesn't quite fit your budget, you might just want to keep an eye on it for a while and see if it doesn't sell right away. There may be some negotiating room."
Finally, work with your experienced real estate professional on what to negotiate over. The last few years, when the market was in a frenzy, most buyers wrote non-contingent offers without inspections. In today's market, that's different. Work with your agent to consider what contingencies will help you make your offer stand out with the seller.
If you would like more information on current market data and the available inventory in your area, reach out to us so that we can help you with your search and write the best offer for your next home. We're John and Claire Hickey with Dilbeck Real Estate, and we love guiding you home.